Before we start to learn about this SolidWorks, this is very important question is what is SolidWorks? SolidWorks is a parametric and feature-based CAD system. It has two terms, one is parametric, then feature-based. Parametric means you can control your part by using parameter, dimension and geometric relation. Inside SolidWorks, you can create any part, assembly and drawing. And by combining these three, you will be able to make any manufacturing drawing or any detailed drawing or any conceptual drawing. Also few other important tasks you can do inside this SolidWorks. This is quite very powerful. Now, if I want to create a part using part file inside SolidWorks, then I have to use some geometric relation, dimension and parameter to make that part. Here, this is a very simple part. If I go inside this sketch, we can see we used few dimension and also few geometric relation to make this sketch, and from that sketch we created this part. Then the next term is feature based system. Now why we are calling this as a feature based? Because if you want, you can go in your past. Let's say I created this part, and if I want to go to the first feature, this is the first feature I made, then I added this feature, and after adding this feature, before I unsuppress all other features, if I want to create a new hole at this center, I can add that, then I can add all other features. So that means I can go to past, then I can add any new feature or I can modify any existing feature. So you can see from here like which feature you created first, which one is the second, which one is the third. So you can see from here. So that's the reason we call this software as a parametric and feature based CAD system.